Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to be doing a big, beautiful haul of the puffer collection from Hayes. And as soon as I reviewed this Airlight luggage, we couldn't help but notice how much you guys wanted me to review all of the bags and accessories that Hayes has. So I went ahead and got the entire puffer collection for you. There's a backpack, there's a duffel, and a couple of waist bags. So I haven't looked at them yet, and I'm going to reveal them. These are going to be wonderful additions for either your everyday life or for travel, and they're gonna look so cute with your Hayes Airlight. And a little sneak peek of my other new Hayes luggage, but I can't show you that one yet. And then before we get started, I do have to say that I do have a Hayes 15% off code. So if you guys are interested in anything from the puffer collection, my code is Kellys15 and gives you 15% off. All right, you guys know I love to be dramatic, so let's watch that again with a slow-mo replay. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items to show you today. And I don't even know which one to start with. Let's start with the puffer duffel. You guys have been obsessed with duffel bags lately. All of the things you're going to see in the puffer collection are either rose, atmosphere, black, sage green, or ivory. And then they also have a black camo in some of the items as well. All right, so this is the duffel, and obviously this is the color rose, and we're going to get into all of the details. And then I'm not gonna necessarily pack them today because I have a lot to show today, but you guys can tell that this is going to be very spacious. So this one does come in 5 colors, and it does hold 41 liters worth of stuff. That's about what some of the hard shell suitcases actually hold. It is 2.34 pounds, and it is water resistant, which is very important when it comes to luggage. Now this could be a really great bag in addition to your carry-on. It is a little bit too big for some airlines, but if it's not full all the way, you could probably get away with it. We're gonna go ahead and measure it real quick. So height-wise, it is about 12 inches. Depth-wise, it is about 10. And then lengthwise, it's between 18 and 19. This is probably gonna be a little bit too big. I'm not gonna tell you to risk it, but you probably could. This would be better as maybe a weekender type of bag, even a gym bag, a road trip bag. This thing holds 41 liters, so you could really pack a lot of stuff in here. All right, so let's go over the details. Here you have the little Hayes logo. It is the same color as the bag, so it doesn't stick out too much. And then you have this little zippered pocket here, maybe big enough for a phone or a passport. It's not a completely hidden zipper, but it is pink on pink on pink. So I do really love the aesthetic of that. Everything on this bag is the color of the bag, which I love. Turning it on this side, we do have a little handle here, and you do have a little pocket here. Turning around to the back, we're doing a 360 view today. You do have a little zippered pocket here as well, and it also unzips and becomes a trolley sleeve so that you can put this on top of your favorite luggage if you are traveling with both. But if you're not, you can zip it up and it just becomes a pocket. And then for the final angle of the bag here, we do have this pocket, which is going to be able to hold some shoes. And if you're not packing an extra pair of shoes, then you could probably use this for something else. We can get creative. Now we do have the drop handles here, which are about 6.5 inches. My arms are kind of big, and it does go over my shoulder, which is great. Not every duffel bag that I own can fit on my arm. And then of course it does have this little snap closure here when you want to put these straps together. Now, like I said, everything on this bag is color coordinated. The zipper is pink as well. And then you can see that it has the shoulder strap, and this is padded, which is great because duffels are notorious for getting a little bit heavy when they're fully packed. So this is as long as it can go. I'm 5'10" and it goes way below my hips. Okay, so let's look at the inside. The inside is black, which A, is very difficult to show you guys the inside, and B, sometimes a little bit more difficult to find your items. Now, there is nothing on this side. There is nothing on this side. And on this side, we do have a zippered pocket that is fairly deep and spacious. And then right in through here is where those shoes would go. And then on the bottom of the bag, we do have these little feet here, which is great for when you set it down. It's a lot less likely to get dirty, but you guys, also this fabric, it is water resistant and it does feel very wipeable. Like I could be able to swipe it clean super easy. Now, the only thing that I think that this is missing is perhaps a laptop sleeve, because I know a lot of people do travel with laptops, but besides that, I really do love this bag. Now let's move on to this cute little puffer backpack. So this is called the puffer backpack, and as you guys can see, it does kind of look like a mini backpack. It's definitely smaller than most backpacks out there that you guys might buy as a personal item. But you know what? That's great, because maybe this is all you need, and this is almost kind of like purse size too. Haze doesn't necessarily have to be about travel. You can use this with your everyday life. So I keep calling it the mini backpack, but there is no bigger backpack in this collection. This is the only backpack, I do have to say. So this one actually comes in 6 colors, because this one does come in that black camo color that I was talking to you guys about. And this is the color Ivory. This is the same great water resistant material, and like I said, it does feel kind of wipeable, so I'm not too worried about getting this dirty, but as I use it, I will definitely update you guys. Now let's go ahead and check out these measurements. The height of it is 13. The width of it is about 12. And the depth of it is a little bit scrunched right now, but it's about 5. And it is only 1.2 pounds. Now let's go for a tour of the outside. You do have this zipper. Like I said, everything is color coordinated. And then you have this pocket in the front that is this entire area. On the side here, you do have a little water bottle pocket, and you have another one on this side too. Now you could use it for a water bottle, or you could use it for your phone or your portable charger or something like that. And then looking at the back, you do have these little padded straps. This is going to be a zippered pocket, but again, like the duffel, unzip it and becomes a trolley sleeve. You do have a little top handle here, like every other backpack. And of course, the straps are adjustable. Let me put this on. It's empty right now, but this is what it looks like on me. So the zipper, again, same color, and then you do have the black interior here as well. And then on the inside here, you do have this pocket that is, again, the entire length of the backpack, and then nothing really else inside. Now, this is too small to hold a laptop. It can probably hold maybe a mini iPad, or if you have some sort of super mini little laptop. You guys saw the dimensions that I said. All right, so that is it for the backpack. So here are the 3 waist bags. I'm going to use these to kind of show you. This is the mini size here, and this is the regular size here. This one is really tiny, so maybe if you're more of a petite person, you might like something this size, or maybe you need to hold a little bit more stuff, or you're a little bit more of a bigger person and you prefer this size. This is the color Sage Green. This is obviously black. And then this is the atmosphere color that's kind of a nice little grayish. I really love the atmosphere color. And now I was able to show you guys something in every single color. This is why we did this on purpose. Okay, so this is the mini one, and I think that these are identical except for the size. So let's go over the sizing real quick. I'm not going to measure these because all the measurements have been dead on. This is 8.25 inches here. The height is 5.7 inches, and then the depth can go up to 2.25. This can hold 1.8 liters worth of stuff and is super lightweight, under 0.5 pounds, and it's water resistant. And then looking at this one, it is 9.5 inches long by 6 inches tall, and then 2.5 inches deep. So really kind of the heights are about the same. This one's just a teeny bit taller, and then there's a little bit more depth to this one, but the biggest difference is going to be your length. And I'll try them on in a second. Just like everything else in the puffer collection, everything is the same color. This has 2 zippers to be able to open up, and it's the same black interior. There's no other pocket except for this one. And then on the outside here, you do have a pocket here. I wear waist bags like this all the time, whether I wear it on my waist or crossbody. And I do end up using this pocket a lot more than actually opening it up. Now, obviously this is adjustable, and for the longest time, waist bags weren't really coming in my size as a plus size woman, and it would really upset me. So let's go ahead and put this one on, and it totally drapes nicely. And here you have it on me as a waist bag. Let's go ahead and pack it with some items. I have my little wallet, I have some mints, I have some sunglasses, and I have my headphones. And then I will put my passport in that little hidden pocket. And then on this part here, I am going to put my phone so it's a little easier to grab. And this is what it looks like with all of those. Now let's go ahead and put this smaller one on, and we'll put the same items in there to see how they fit. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like the smaller one or the bigger one. What do you think? Put the passport in there, the mints, the wallet, the headphones, and then I still fit those sunglasses because they're small. And then we will take my phone and put it in there. So the same stuff fits, which means that I could probably fit more in here. Here you have it on me as a waist bag, and put it on crossbody. I love both sizes, really. These are absolutely great, and I love that they are waterproof. So what do you guys think of the puffer collection? What was your favorite item? I know I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these waist bags for sure. Everybody loves a good waist bag these days. They are great for travel, they are great for everyday life. And then the backpack is small but really cute and still holds a lot of stuff. And then the duffel bag, I love the shoe compartment, and it definitely seems like it can hold a lot because it can hold 41 liters worth of stuff. So let me know what you guys think of the puffer collection down below. I am so excited to hear from you. And of course, happy shopping with my 15% off code. Hays is easily one of my favorite companies these days. I think they're incredible, and everybody has wonderful things to say about them, and I am so happy to be creating more Hays content for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that I can help you travel often and pack well like I do, and follow us on Instagram for even more tips and tricks. Thanks guys, I'll see you later. Bye.